In this video, we will see how to connect Facebook business page and Amazon store or Amazon product page. If this is your first time viewing my video, please subscribe to channel and click bell icon to get video updates when new content is added. We can connect our Amazon store or Amazon product list page with this Add a Button tab below the Facebook page cover image. So let's get started with this process. Click the Add a Button tab here. Next, here you have a couple of options. First is Book Now option, ideal for business where Facebook users can connect with them by booking appointments like beauty parlor, consultancy firms, restaurant business. Next is Contact Your option, ideal for businesses where you can enter your website address in it, or you can add your email address or phone number here. Next, Learn More about your business option. Here, you can add a link to your video either on a website or YouTube channel to get more information about you and your business. Shop with your option, you can connect your e-commerce store or your Amazon store or Amazon product list or your Etsy store. Finally, download your app or play game option. As this video is for connecting an Amazon store or Amazon product list, click Shop with You option. Next, click Shop Now option. Click Next. Click Website Link tab to connect your Amazon store or Amazon product list page. Next, on this pop-up page, I would like to add my Amazon product list page to send Facebook page users to shop on it. So let me copy the URL link of my Amazon products page and paste it here and click Save button. You can see the Facebook Shop Now button has been configured and connect to my Amazon products page. Finally, click Finish button and test the page. Click Shop Now button on the Facebook page and click Test button from the drop-down. You can see here we have successfully connected to our Amazon products page. With this, we come to the end of this video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Thank you.